Hey guys, it's James with Tour Hotels. I'm here in beautiful southern Alabama in front of one of our properties. Really, I think that we'll find out, but I don't think there's anything drastically different from managing a Toro business to managing an Airbnb or rental property business. There's a lot of overlap. So what we've been doing this house here is getting it ready for renters. So we bought this house here, and then we are buying a house across the street right there. Right there. That house is right behind the van. Can I zoom in? Sure can. So I think it'll be an interesting experiment. We're gonna treat them differently. So this house here, we're gonna fully renovate. We have paid approximately $24,000 to have the whole house renovated, which is more than we paid for the house. So you can see there's definitely some stuff needs done. Just went through and pressure washed it all off on 2 of the 4 sides. And then had the contractors who've been working this last week to get it all ready to rent. See, they replaced the stairs, which were completely destroyed. This is everything they pulled out. Old water heater. We're gonna go to tankless water heater. And they put in that. So you can see the back side here. This green mold and algae and dirt is what it looked like on the front side, pretty much all the sides. So we'll go in here and we'll take a look real quick and kind of show you what they're doing to the inside.